Hello and welcome to another episode of the KAPPA Research Center. Today we have the KVC35 liters. And what we're going to do, it's a stealing test. Alex is going to use the day-to-day tools to see if he can break in and steal what's inside.
Go!
5 minutes have passed. Alex tried all the ordinary tools and it's still locked. Like if I try and open it, it doesn't open. So for us, this is definitely a test approved.
Yes!
So we managed to get it open, but it took 12 minutes and we used a hammer. We used this super scary looking tool, screwdriver, heat gun. We had to cut it open with the saw. And finally, we used this to break it in. Now, for us, this is approved. It took 12 minutes and it was not easy. We didn't use regular tools. So, test.